Man's greatest joy is to slay his enemy, plunder his riches, ride his steeds, see the tears of his loved ones and embrace his women. A leader can never be happy until his people are happy. If you're afraid, don't do it. If you're doing it, don't be afraid. I am the punishment of God. If you had not committed great sins, God would not have sent a punishment like me upon you. The strength of a wall is neither greater nor less than the courage of the men who defend it. It is not sufficient that I succeed, all others must fail. If lies can show the truth, they can be the truth, they can cause the truth, so I may build an empire on lies, but they are the truth. A person is more work to break his enemies, drive them before him, and of them, all is to hear the screams of those they loved. When my call is high, the obligations of me, too, are heavy, and I fear that my decision may be something they want. The pleasure and joy of man lies in treading down the rebel and conquering the enemy, in tearing him up by the root, in taking from him all that he has. I'm going by the law so that peace and happiness in the world there is our hard and fast rule. I am from the barbaric north. I wear the same clothing and eat the same food as the cowherds and horse herders. We make the same sacrifices and we share our riches. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel.